For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Main accused in Kerala gold smuggling case, Swapna Suresh, revealed that her appointment in the space park was known to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Swapna Suresh said that she was asked to apply for the post by former Secretary of the Chief Minister M. Shivashankar. The former secretary had also promised Swapna that he would speak to the Chief Minister and ensure her appointment. After Swapna Suresh admitted her connection with Pinarayi Vijayan, the Enforcement Directorate has said she met the Chief Minister several times. Swapna Suresh's appointment with the space park was in the knowledge of the Chief Minister of Kerala. She had met Shiv Shankar around 8 times officially, but met him many times unofficially. She met Shiv Shankar 5 to 6 times in the presence of the Chief Minister, and he knew her as Secretary to Consul General. The ED also said that Shiv Shankar also knew 2 more accused, Sarith and Sandeep Nair. Swapna further stated that another key accused, Ramesh, had approached her and Sarith for smuggling gold. Reportedly, gold was smuggled through Thiruvananthapuram airport on 21 occasions, and Suresh had facilitated it. After the gold smuggling case came to light, Pinarayi Vijayan reportedly distanced himself from his secretary, claiming he was not aware of Suresh's appointment. The Enforcement Directorate, in its interim charge sheet, has said that a detailed investigation was needed against Shiv Shankar. Enforcement Directorate is also collecting more digital evidence regarding it and would file a supplementary charge sheet later. The role of Shiv Shankar, who was the key person in the present government in the entire episode, has to be thoroughly investigated, and the mirror image of the electronic evidence has to be confronted with him, as well as accused persons and others. The charge sheet also states that the 3 main accused, Swapna Suresh, Sandeep Nair, and Sarith, were also involved in money laundering and owned several properties. But the source of income of all 3 accused was mysterious. After ED filed its charge sheet with the Chief Minister's name, Congress and BJP are demanding Pinarayi Vijayan's resignation.
The link between the accused in the smuggling case and the Chief Minister is proved. He does not have the right to continue in the post. We seek his resignation.
So far, as many as 30 people have been arrested in connection with the Kerala gold smuggling case. The case came to light after 30 kgs of gold worth 14.82 crore rupees was seized by customs officials in Thiruvananthapuram on July 5th.